What's going on here, guys? It's me, Boniface Hustle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, you put a thumbs up, and you leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think about this video that I have created for you. For all my subscribers, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to trade a profitable chart pattern that do come almost on every pairs that you can think of trading. So this pattern is called double top. Double top. This pattern is called double top. So now I have identified a double top on volatility 75. As you can see, price was going up. As it's reached this level, somewhere around here, the trend got exhausted. Now, the buyers were in control starting from this point. When they reached this point, buyers got exhausted. Now they want to sell off their shares to sellers who are interested in buying this stock. So now, when we reached this exhaustion, now we are in a distribution phase. So now price created a double top around here. Here is the neckline, another top. It came and broke this neckline. So now, how to trade this double top? So first of all, we are going to use a rectangle tool. Mark the first high. So where it got rejected. So now we are going to mark it like this. And then make sure that price is not supposed to close above this line, this zone that I have drawn. Now what price has done is that has closed below this zone that I have drawn. Now what do? We identify the neckline of this double top. So we have the first area, the second area, the first top, the second top. Now this is the neckline because it's the lowest high. I mean the lowest row in this pattern that has been formed. Now if the neckline has been broken, what do? We shade the neckline. When we shade the neckline, what other confirmation do we have to have confidence so that we trade this pattern when price comes to our point of interest? So now, this is the double top that has full formed. Now we are waiting for price to come to this neckline and then we trade it to the downside. We sell it because sellers now are in control. This is a reversal pattern. Sometimes it can be in a continuation pattern, but we are trading a reversal pattern. So what do? We wait for price to come to this level and then we sell to the upside. So for the confirmation, for those of you who trade smart money concept, here we can say that this is a breaker block because we have price moving like this, come back, and then it took a little bit the high of the first top and then it came down. So now for those of you who trade smart money concept, you can say this is a breaker block. So we mark this last sell candle as a breaker block. What we want to see is for price to come and respect this zone that I've drawn here. Now we are trading a double top pattern. Let's put smart money concept aside. So now other confirmation that I can see here is a fair value gap on this area. Yeah, so we have a fair value gap, and then 50% of the fair value gap is this one. So what do? Once price enters this zone that we have drawn here, we enter a sell position. So we set a limit order in this line that we have drawn from the neckline, and then stop loss is going to be above this highest high, swing high that has been created, and then we target the neckline because this is the we target the leg here. So this has been created. Now the leg is this one. So this is going to be our first TP, first TP. So now other confirmation to have perfect target or perfect take profit, I use a Fibonacci tool. So I'm going to go on the tool here, click on a Fibonacci, drag it from this low to the highest high. In this case is this high. So I have refined my Fibonacci. You can see stop loss, low risk entry point 50%. So now price has reached 50%, has even crossed the 50%. So now in this case, we are going to set a pending order on this zone, a first position. The second position, stop loss above. Second position is going to be on the 50% of this fair value gap. Target, first take profit is here. Here. Second take profit is going to be here. Third take profits is this level now. It's optional. That's why you can see a word optional TP here around this price. You can see. So now, how do you manage this trade? Let's say you have entered 5 position around this price. Stop loss around this price. Take profits around this price. Once price gets to your first TP, what do? You move your stop loss to break even where your entry was. But this is not a good idea because mostly price will want to come again to the entry point before it goes down. So now if your stop loss has been moved from where it was and then it's now below your entry point, you're going to get stopped out. What do you benefit? Nothing. You get stopped out although the price is going to go in your favor. So now in this case, we move our stop loss to our entry point because our first TP has been hit. So now, two position will not be crossed. You will not set TPs on 2 position. Set TPs on 3 position. So 3 position has been crossed. You are remaining with 2 active trades that are running. Now, what do? Your take profit is going to be on this level. Your stop loss is going to be now break even, lock some profits. You are waiting for price to hit your TP2. So when TP2 is being hit, 1 position has been closed. You are remaining with 1 running position. Now look for level of resistance where you can now put your stop loss. This level, like TP1, has created a resistance. So that's where you extend your your stop loss too. You are waiting for TP3 to be hit. Now it's optional. That's why you've seen me indicating here optional TP. Optional TP because it's very optional. You don't know whether it's going to be it or not. So in this case, you have managed to profit on this trade. Just on one trade, if you have increased your lot size, you can make a lot of money. But I don't advise a lot of people with small accounts to use bigger lot sizes because when price doesn't go in your favor, you're going to lose a lot of money. And price, if it goes in your favor, you make a lot of money. So always use the stop process when trading. I don't advise people to trade without stop process. Even if you are scalping, use the stop loss. Use the stop loss. At least even if you have opened 10 trades, you can manage to put stop process on all the trades that are opened. So that's it for today, guys. I thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment down below on the comment to what do you guys think about this pattern and how you trade it, and anything that you want to see on this YouTube channel. Make sure you leave a comment below and continue supporting my channel. I appreciate you. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any beautiful content that I drop on this YouTube channel. Peace.